Your competitor's website is stealing your customers, not because they're better, because they look better. You've got a great business, but your website doesn't show it. DIY builders make you look generic. Big agencies charge a fortune and take forever. You need something better. TNCFlow is your end-to-end web partner. We plan, design, build, and launch with every detail covered. Need a conversion-focused design? Our UI/UX team crafts modern interfaces that turn visitors into customers. Need a full website? We build on Webflow, Framer, WordPress, and Shopify, whatever fits your business. From a clean starter site to a full-scale platform with custom integrations, we handle it all. Running on WordPress, we also build custom plugins that add powerful features and keep your site flexible as you grow. And if your brand needs a fresh identity, logos, visual systems, the full package, we do that too. Already have a website? We've got you covered there too. Whether it's customizing your existing design, fixing bugs and performance issues, or adding new features, we step in and make your site work the way it should. No need to start over.
Every site we build or improve is optimized for core web vitals. Scalable architecture means your site grows with your business. And you get 30 days of free post-launch support on every project. Whether you're a startup launching your first product, a founder who needs a fast, modern site, a business ready for a redesign, or an agency looking for reliable dev support, TNCFlow is built for you. Need to move even faster? Explore our growing library of ready-to-launch templates for Webflow, Framer, Figma, and HTML. Professionally designed, mobile-ready, and built to convert. Grab one and go live today. We've been in the game since 2014, starting as theme and code, building products used by thousands, and growing into TNCFlow. Over a decade of designing, developing, and delivering digital experiences that businesses depend on. Every client is backed by 100% satisfaction and hands-on support. A decade of trust, a team that delivers. Whether it's a brand new build or improving what you already have, request a quote and let's get started. Visit tncflow.com. New builds, customizations, fixes, templates, we've got you covered.